Do you know what tax avoidance and tax evasion mean? They are two key terms that have significant implications for the economic stability and development of any nation. While tax avoidance is legal, tax evasion is not, and both have major impacts on Nigeria's economy. In this video, we will break down what tax evasion and tax avoidance mean, show you how they differ using practical case studies in the Nigerian context, and explore strategies that could help address these issues.
Hi, my name is Olatunji Abdulrazak. I am the founder and CEO of TaxMobile.online. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Stitch in Tax Saves Cash. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay on top of your taxes. We will provide you with tips and strategies to help you keep more money in your pockets and minimize your tax liability while you stay in compliance with tax laws. So, if you want to start taking control of your finances from today, hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bells to stay updated on our latest videos.
Understanding tax avoidance and evasion. Tax avoidance refers to the legal utilization of tax laws and regulations to minimize tax liability. This can involve strategies such as claiming deductions, credits, exemptions, or utilizing tax planning structures such as trust and offshore accounts. For example, a company operating in Nigeria may take advantage of government-provided incentives in sectors like agriculture or manufacturing to reduce its taxable income. Additionally, individuals may engage in tax planning to minimize their tax liabilities through legal means. On the other hand, tax evasion involves using illegal means to evade paying taxes. This can include activities such as underreporting income, overstating deductions, hiding assets, falsifying documents, engaging in fraudulent schemes, or intentionally misrepresenting financial information. For example, some Nigerian businesses and individuals might bribe corrupt tax officials or underreport sales to evade tax obligation. In essence, while both concepts relate to how individuals and businesses manage their tax obligations, tax avoidance involves utilizing legal means while tax evasion involves illegal strategies. In the context of Nigeria, both practices are common issues that impact the country's revenue generation and economic development. While tax avoidance uses legal structures that reduce government revenue, tax evasion directly undermines Nigeria's financial integrity, leading to substantial revenue losses for the government. Let's explore some practical case studies that shed light on tax avoidance and tax evasion in Nigeria. Case study 1. Company X and tax avoidance. Company X, a multinational corporation operating in Nigeria, engages in aggressive tax planning by channeling its profits through countries with preferential tax regimes to reduce its overall tax liability. By exploiting gaps in international tax laws and utilizing transfer pricing strategies, the company minimizes its taxable income in Nigeria, resulting in significant tax savings. This case exemplifies how large corporations operating in Nigeria can engage in complex tax avoidance schemes by leveraging international tax structures. While these strategies may be legal, they raise ethical concerns about the fairness of the tax system and the impact on the country's revenue collection. Case study 2. Business Y and tax evasion. Business Y, a retail chain in Nigeria, evades taxes by underreporting sales and income through manipulating financial records, inflating expenses, and using cash transactions to conceal its actual revenue, while also bribing tax officials to ignore these fraudulent activities, further perpetuating tax evasion. This illustrates how tax evasion negatively affects the Nigerian economy as it deprives the government of much needed revenue for public services and infrastructure development. Moreover, such practices create an uneven playing field, thereby placing compliant businesses at a disadvantage. The prevalence of tax avoidance and tax evasion in Nigeria underscores the need for effective tax administration, enforcement, and policy reforms. The government must take proactive measures to address these issues and promote a culture of tax compliance and transparency. To effectively combat tax avoidance, the Nigerian government can consider 1. Regularly reviewing and updating tax laws to close loopholes and minimize opportunities for aggressive tax planning. 2. Enhancing transfer pricing regulations. 3. Implementing measures to enhance transparency in financial reporting and tax disclosures, particularly for multinational corporations operating in Nigeria. 4. Implementing measures to curb aggressive tax planning by multinational corporations and ensure a fair distribution of tax burdens among businesses. To combat tax evasion, the Nigerian government can consider 1. Strengthening the capacity and resources of tax authorities to effectively enhance tax compliance and address evasion practices. 2. Developing robust monitoring systems, including leveraging technology to track financial transactions and ensure adherence to tax regulations. 3. Promoting tax ethics and awareness through public education campaigns and community outreach to encourage compliance. 4. Implementing robust whistleblower protection programs and conducting regular audits to deter tax evasion. 5. Enhancing collaboration with international agencies to track illicit financial flows. In conclusion, effectively addressing tax avoidance and evasion in Nigeria requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses legislative, enforcement, and educational initiatives. Prioritizing technology in tax enforcement, strengthening partnerships with international agencies, and fostering a culture of tax compliance can serve as powerful pillars to uphold transparency and accountability. By implementing these strategies, Nigeria can protect its revenue base, ensure fair tax distribution, and foster sustainable economic growth. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Also remember to watch our previous videos.